So you're about to pull an all-nighter, or at least a semi-all-nighter. First of all, I want to say, I acknowledge you. I know this sucks. The sleep deprivation, it's inevitable, but you're going to get through it. And I'm going to help you talk through the different steps of what you need to do to survive the rest of this night. And we've been in your shoes. And we know what it takes, and we survived to see the light of day. First of all, let's look at your game plan. Look at your list right now of things that you need to get done between now and start of the next day tomorrow morning. If there's anything that you would need to rely on someone else or another team for, I would send those across now so you can work on your own stuff that's within your control while you're waiting on their responses. Now, this includes any clarifications that you need from your deal team, anything that you can send to presentations or the research team, etc. That should be your first step. Next, I want to check in on you. How are you doing? Have you eaten yet? Have you even drank water? How long has it been since you've left your desk? Couple hours, multiple hours maybe? Take a deep breath, go for a walk, get an ice cold glass of water, and get yourself something to eat. My only request with something to eat is that you get something that won't potentially cause you to fall asleep at your desk later. As tempting as pizza or some sort of comfort meal may be, let me just say that there have been people who have fallen asleep from a heavy meal before, and that's not a fun situation to wake up to. All right, so you've been working for a couple hours. It's getting really late into the night, or even starting to creep up on dawn. So now you're starting to hit that valley of despair. The sleep deprivation is really catching up to you. You've been working for the past few hours and just hitting a wall, physically, mentally, emotionally. You want nothing more than to get some sleep and go home and just be done with everything that's on your plate. So I wanted to make sure that you're taking breaks. Trust me, even if you feel like you can't take breaks, after having so many late nights, I found that that is actually more productive. Go talk to someone else who's at the office, check in to see how they're doing, go splash some water on your face, go for another quick walk or stretch. If you have the time and you're waiting for comments, for example, maybe take a quick shower or go for even like 10-15 minutes of very quick workout to get your blood pumping. A few seconds of jumping jacks, as silly as it may sound, can keep you awake. And now you're finally done. Congratulations. You survived yet another brutal night of being an investment banker. This will probably not be your first nor your last, and I hope that with each time that you do this, it only gets easier.